am Hans Alejandria, Science Research Specialist 2 at DOST-PHIVOLCS. For today, we will go through the step-by-step process on how to sign in to the GeoRisk Integrated Platform or GRIP, as well as your GeoMapperPH application. So let's begin. First, go to georisk.gov.ph or the GeoRisk Integrated Platform, and in the upper right corner, click Guest. In the drop-down selection, click Login. In the login page, type your username and your password. Toggle the checkboxes and click Login. Reminder, your individual username is sent to you via email, and your password is the personalized password that you change during verification. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard content. To view an application, in the GeoMapperPH app, click View Application. Before we proceed, I will explain to you two types of login that you will encounter. First is the GeoRisk Portal Login. The GeoRisk Portal Login provides access to the application, and we will be using a group account. After that, we will do the map login. The map login is used to provide access to the data, and here you will use your GRIP account or your individual account. So a few reminders before we log in. First, to make sure that you are connected to the internet. Next, check for typos in the username and password. The password is case sensitive, and after 3 wrong inputs in the portal login, the account will be locked for 15 minutes. Again, after 3 wrong inputs in the portal login, the account will be locked for 15 minutes. After clicking View Application, you will now see the portal login. In the portal login, you will use the username LGU_user and the password pass@12345. Again, the group account for the portal login is LGU_user and the password is pass@12345. So after you type this, click the Keep Me Signed In checkbox and then click Sign In. Once successfully logged in, you will see the map login. The map login is used to access the data. Here, you will use your GRIP account. So type your GRIP account and your password and click OK. Before you log in, I will first give a demonstration. First, go to GRIP and in the upper right corner, click Login. In the login page, type your username and your password and toggle the checkboxes and click Login. Here, you will see the GeoMapperPH applications available to your account. To view an application, just click the View Application button. After clicking View Application, you will now see the portal sign-in on your screen. Again, we will use a group account for the portal sign-in. The username is LGU_user and the password is LGU@12345. Again, the username is LGU_user and the password is LGU@12345. Toggle the Keep Me Signed In checkbox and sign in. If the username and password you provided is correct, you will be able to successfully access the application and the data. Just click OK on the screen and you may start digitizing and viewing the map layers. In case you forget your username or your password, just go to the GeoRisk Integrated Platform's login page and select Forgot Username or Forgot Password. So type your username provided in your email and click Submit. After clicking Submit, a password reset link will be sent to your email. So go to your email and look for the reset password notification from GeoRisk Philippines. In the email, click Reset Password. You will be directed to a page where you will change your password. Type your new password and retype it to confirm your password. Once done, click Update. Today, we learned about how to sign in to GeoRisk Integrated Platform and GeoMapperPH. You may refer to this video if you need a guide in signing in.